What's up guys, this is another video. Today I am showing some shotguns. Okay, big to small, small to big, big to small shotgun. So let's start. First of all, I show you a very big shotgun. Okay, this shotgun plastic is very quality plastic. Okay, this looks like an amazing shotgun. Okay, and this is the razor light. Okay, razor light. This is black color, strong plastic build up razor light. Okay, and I assemble it this shotgun. Okay, how oh no. Okay, see, this is the proper shotgun and how it's work. Turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Just one more time, turn and shoot. Okay, see, this is the proper shotgun. Another shotgun. Now I can see you. This is another shotgun. Okay, this plastic also very good. This is yellow and black color, yellow black color shotgun. And see, and how it's work. Just turn and shoot. Okay, once more time, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. See, that's it. Then I show you another shotgun. Tan tan tan, na 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 na. This is silver color, red color and black color plastic body shotgun. Okay, this shotgun plastic is not very qualityful. Cheap rated plastic build up. How it's work. Turn and shoot. Oh, this is very hard. This trigger is very hard. No, this is very hard. Turn and shoot. The sound is very low. Once more time. Turn and shoot. Okay, that's it. And there is some bullet. Yellow color bullet. Red color bullet. Oh no. And green color bullet. Okay, and last time I show you a small shotgun. Okay, see, this is a small shotgun. Red color, yellow color, black color plastic build up shotgun. This plastic is very qualityful plastic. Okay, see, and how it's work. Turn and shoot, turn and shoot. One more time, turn and shoot. Okay, see. So guys, this is my video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.